Are you struggling to install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you through the steps to resolve the installation issue and get back Amazon app up and running on your device. Let's jump right in. Method 1. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn it back off. Or you can switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi. Method 2. Check App Store restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap on Content Privacy Restriction, tap Content Restrictions, tap Apps, and make sure apps are allowed. Method 3. Check the App Store account. Verify that you are signed in with the correct Apple ID on the App Store. Sometimes apps are tied to specific Apple IDs. And also tap on Profile, tap Personalized Recommendation, tap Clear App Usage Data, tap Clear App Usage Data again, and check your issue. Method 4. Reset all setting. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings, tap Reset all settings again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Amazon Shopping app installation issue on your iPhone. If you encounter any further problems, don't hesitate to share your concerns in the comment section. Thank you for watching.